Hello there, this is Peter, and today I'm gonna introduce our new product. You can see this big guy, right? This is our vacuum dry oven, and for this one, the model is 6210, and the liter is 210. And today, let's from the bottom, okay? And this stand we can customize for the customer. And here you can see we can put our vacuum pump inside here and provide the stable automatic vacuum environment. And here, and you also can see this is a button for the power. It's a power off and power on. And here you can click here to control the temperature. The highest temperature is 200 Celsius. And you also can see there's 3 layers inside here. When the machine is working, you cannot touch this glass because it's gonna be very hot and it's gonna be hurt your finger. And we have the plug we can customize for you. And for the voltage, this is 220 voltage. For the voltage, we can customize for our customer. If you need 110, we can do that for you. For this equipment, we have many different models, and we have the minimum is 10 liters. This is 210, and the maximum liter is 500. So if you need this kind of machine, just let us know. We will provide the best service for you. Okay, and we can show you this. Open this door, and you can see 1, 2, 3. We have 3 layers here. And for this equipment, you can dry many different stuff like food or drugs, medicine, yeah, or you can do the experiment. Yes, okay. And let us know if you need this. Okay, thank you.